Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English. Today, we will speak a little more slowly and clearly so that everyone can understand us. Sarah, I am very happy today, but yesterday I was very bored.
Bored? Oh no, Adam, that is not a good feeling. Why were you bored?
I was at home. I had no work. The world was very quiet, and I had nothing to do.
Nothing to do. That is a hard moment. Many people feel bored sometimes.
Yes, it is a very common feeling. Everyone feels bored in their life.
It is true, but today we will learn how to talk about this feeling in English.
My friends, if you stay with us until the end,
You will learn to talk about your hobbies and your free time.
you will learn the names of many activities, like watching movies and walking outside.
Watching movies and walking outside. Those are great ways to stop being bored.
Yes, if you watch this video, you will speak English with no fear.
That is very good. I want to speak with no fear.
You will feel very happy when you talk to your friends about your life.
I am ready. I want to learn. Let us start our talk today.
Okay, Sarah, let us start with the first thing I do when I am bored.
The first thing you do. What is it, Adam? Is it a quiet activity?
Yes, when I am bored, I sit on my big sofa and I watch movies.
You watch movies. I like movies. Do you watch movies on your TV?
Yes, I have a big black TV in my small living room.
A big black TV. Do you watch funny movies or scary movies?
I watch funny movies. I like to laugh when I am bored.
You like to laugh. That is very good. Laughing makes the boredom go away.
It does. I take my remote control and I click a button.
You click a button, and then the movie starts on the screen?
Yes, I watch the movie for 2 hours. I eat some popcorn too.
Popcorn. I love popcorn with salt and butter.
Me too. Watching a movie makes me feel very happy and relaxed.
That sounds like a great plan, but I'm different from you, Adam.
You are different. What do you do when you are bored, Sarah?
When I am bored, I do not watch movies. I listen to music.
You listen to music. Do you listen to music on your phone?
Yes, I put on my headphones and I listen to my favorite songs.
Your favorite songs. Is it loud music or quiet music?
It is very loud music. I like to dance in my bedroom.
Dance in your bedroom? You have a lot of energy, Sarah.
Yes, dancing makes me feel very active and strong.
Active and strong. I can imagine you dancing and singing.
I sing very loudly too. My neighbors probably think I am crazy.
Maybe they do, but music is a beautiful way to spend time.
It is. I listen to music for 1 hour. Then I am not bored.
That is wonderful. Sometimes I do not want to stay inside my house.
You do not want to stay inside. Do you go outside?
Yes, when I am bored, I open my door and I walk outside.
You walk outside. Do you walk in your small town?
Yes, I walk slowly. I look at the green trees and the blue sky.
The green trees and the blue sky. That sounds very peaceful.
It is peaceful. I take a deep breath of the fresh air.
Fresh air. It is very good for the heart and mind.
I walk to the park near my house. I see many people there.
You see many people. Do you see children playing?
Yes, I see children running and I see people sitting on the grass.
Sitting on the grass. It is a very happy place to be.
It is. Walking for 30 minutes makes me feel very fresh.
Fresh. I like walking too, but only when the sun is bright.
I agree. The sun gives us energy. What else do you do, Sarah?
When I am bored, I do something very social. I call a friend.
You call a friend. That is a very good idea. Who do you call?
I call my best friend Maria. We talk for a very long time.
A very long time. Do you talk for 1 hour or 2 hours?
Sometimes we talk for 2 hours. We talk about everything.
You talk about everything. Do you talk about your day?
Yes, we talk about our work, our families, and our dreams.
Talking to a friend makes the world feel smaller and warmer.
It does. I feel very connected to Maria when we talk on the phone.
Connected. That is a beautiful word. I call my friend Sam sometimes too.
You call Sam. Do you talk about soccer?
Yes, we talk about soccer and we talk about movies.
Soccer and movies. You and Sam are very good friends.
Yes, we are. Okay, Sarah, let us talk about a different scenario.
A different scenario. What is it, Adam?
Imagine it is a rainy day. You are bored and you cannot go outside.
A rainy day. Ugh, I do not like the rain. It is very gray.
The sky is gray and the world is wet. What do you do at home?
On a rainy day, I go to my kitchen and I make a cake.
You make a cake. Wow, you are a very good baker.
Yes, I take the flour, the eggs, and the sugar.
Flour, eggs, and sugar. Do you make a chocolate cake?
Yes, a big dark chocolate cake. It smells amazing in my house.
It smells amazing. The smell of cake makes a rainy day better.
It really does. I wait for the cake to be hot and ready.
Then you eat a big piece with a cup of warm tea.
A big piece of cake and warm tea. That is my dream rainy day.
That sounds perfect. I do something different on a rainy day.
What do you do, Adam? Do you watch more movies?
No, when it rains, I sit in my quiet bedroom and I read a book.
You read a book. Is it a long book or a short book?
It is a long book. I like stories about history and old times.
History and old times. That is very interesting for the mind.
It is. I read the words and I imagine a different world.
Imagining a different world. You have a big imagination, Adam.
Maybe reading for 2 hours makes the rain feel nice.
It is true. A book is like a friend when you are alone.
I agree 100%. Now, Sarah, I have an idea.
An idea? What is your idea, Adam?
Let's play our favorite guessing game for our listeners.
The guessing game. I'm ready. I love this game.
This game is about things we do when we are bored.
I will guess, and our listeners will guess with me.
Yes, listeners, play with us. Round 1.
I am listening, Adam. Give me the first one.
Okay, this is an activity. You sit on a sofa.
I sit on a sofa. Okay.
You look at a big screen. You see people acting in a story.
People acting in a story.
You eat popcorn and you laugh. What is the activity?
You sit on a sofa and eat popcorn. It is watching a movie.
Watching a movie. Yes, you are correct. 1 point for Sarah.
Yay! 1 point. I love watching movies. Give me another one.
Round 2. This is an object. It is very small.
A small object. Is it in the house?
Yes, it is in your hand. It has a screen and many apps.
A screen and many apps.
You use it to call your best friend Maria. What is it?
It is in my hand and I call Maria. It is a phone.
A phone! Yes, you are right again. 2 points for Sarah.
A phone is very useful when we are bored. Next round.
Round 3. This is an activity. You are outside.
I am outside. Okay.
You move your legs. You move slowly on the street or in the park.
I move my legs in the park.
You see the trees and you breathe the fresh air. What is it?
You move slowly and see trees. It is walking.
Walking. Yes. 3 points for Sarah. You are a star. Now we want to hear from you, our amazing listeners.
Yes, we have a question for our Snack English family.
Okay, round 4, the last round. This is an object.
An object, okay.
It is made of paper, and it has many, many words inside.
Many words inside.
You open it and you read a story about history. What is it?
It is made of paper and I read it.
Tell us in the comments. We learned many things today, Sarah.
We did. We talked about movies, music, and phones.
We talked about walking outside and calling a friend.
We talked about rainy days and baking chocolate cakes.
It was a very good conversation about being bored.
Yes, now I am not bored at all. I am very happy. We have a question for our Snack English family.
What do you do when you are bored?
Do you watch movies? Do you listen to music?
Tell us in the comments. Write, I watch movies, or I walk outside.
We want to read your stories. Please write to us.
If you liked this easy English lesson, please click the like button.
Give us a big thumbs up. It helps our channel.
And please subscribe to Snack English for more fun videos.
We make new videos for you every week.
Thank you for joining us today. You are great students.
Yes, thank you everyone. Stay happy.
And stay active.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Now I want to eat that chocolate cake.
Me too.